EOC review term number 24, laissez faire. Laissez faire is a fancy French term which means hands off or to step back. And why in the world is this one of the EOC review terms? Because this is also a term that's given to a philosophy of government leadership and government rule, which involves the government staying out of day to day operations and keeping their hands off of things like the economy, for example. In fact, usually you see laissez faire as a term used to reference the government's philosophy regarding the economy. So if the government has a laissez faire approach to the economy, that means the government stays out. They're not there to pass a bunch of regulatory laws. They're not going to tax businesses heavily. They're not going to send government inspectors in every day to make sure that there's no underage workers being employed. The government's just going to take a step back, not make very many laws, not make very many rules, and just kind of let things roll. Some people believe that a laissez faire approach is the best approach for the government to take because it typically leaves more power in the hands of the people and in the hands of business. Other people believe that that is a more dangerous approach because when left to our own devices as people or as businesses, sometimes we do dumb things, and they believe that the government having more control would prevent those things from happening and would result in greater stability. Laissez faire, government hands off, government stays out of things. That's what laissez faire is. It's not just a fancy French word.